Happy New Year, everyone. I got a lot to do in my Lego city. I'm going to procrastinate a little bit longer probably and put that off. I'm going to show you a little bit on my Lego campground that I've been working on, which pretty much has been going on the last couple weeks. A lot of other things going on, end of the year, beginning of the year stuff that just keeps me busy. And yeah, so let's get back to it. Let me show you what I got going. Okay, if you're new, I built this a couple years ago. This is my Lego campground, minus the outhouse. So we've got a little cliff, we've got a tent there, got our little beach. I'm going to set the outhouse back here. For now, I got to put a seat in there still. Our lettering for our scout campground, I love the way that turned out, especially with the arrow for the Order of the Arrow logo and the lettering. The backdrop, you can see it's just plates, and the Mario clouds. It works really well. So I like to do that. Like on my Chernobyl background and my castle campground. It just makes the backdrop so you just don't have all this white. But anyway, back to this. I made an expansion for this because we're going to triple the size of this campground, along with tripling the size of the water. So right now it's 2 base plates plus an eighth of one. When I'm done with this, it's going to be 8 base plates. So right now we're just at 2 plus I guess 2 1/4. All right, so we've got our cabins. We're going to move this fire because we've got a rock face here, or a path that you can come over the top and see. And back there, hidden, yeah, there's a cave back there. But let me show you what I got so far. Got a lot to do, but I wanted to show you this just for a reference. All right, so yeah, we have a lot of open space. I don't like this. I don't want this open space, so I got to fill it in. That path, that goes there. I got this Adirondacks, the friend set with these 2 Adirondacks. Yeah, I think they're called cabins in the set, but no, Adirondacks. Just like the baseball bat. The wooden baseball bats that are Adirondack brand. Same exact word spelling. Here they are, except I added leaves to the back just to make them, I don't know, a little bit more detailed. Now you can see they sit right on the edge of the bank of, I guess, my pond or my lake. It's not going to be an ocean, but we do have a little bit of a beachfront. It comes with this little open outhouse, and I'll incorporate that into a set, or into this somewhere. Just haven't decided where yet. See my little benches I got made? I really like the way those turned out. I like they're carved out of logs. There's my fire. You can see it's not pushed down. And I got this rock face, which I'm not happy with. I think I'm going to extend it out because I got to put another base plate here and then another one behind it. And this will end up going right in front of that other campground set. But if I take this off, there's my battery box. Pop that on. Then I got fire. I'll show you this. Just have to run the wires through. And yeah, the battery box just runs up and under this, under the Mills plating, and all the way over. And that's how I did that. I left it like this with enough extra room. That way, if the batteries go dead, I can just pop these batteries out. And this uses AA, I believe. I can just pop them back in and not have to take the whole build apart. And that's why we have this, which is just a big open cavity to hide my campground. You can see I've been going through all these different leaf element pieces. I got to build a tree with those. That looks pretty interesting. And then, yeah, I need to add that outhouse. But what I was doing with this, I think I might try to add lights to some of the cabins. And to do that, I got a light post, and this uses those round batteries. They look like the size of quarters. I think they're 2032s, as in like AA, AAA. Well, these are 2032s that use the little coin looking battery. And yeah, that's that simple. So I could just do some lights stick this in there if I can get the roof off. And I think I might add some lighting to it so I can display this probably in the St. Louis Lego convention this year. That's my goal. So turn that off. Did buy some more light posts. Maybe add to my city too. Yeah, there's this order of light posts. Most of them are battery packs, so I want to add more lights. I don't think I'll do lights to the Adirondacks. That'd be kind of dumb. These do open up, and I love the stickers. Even though it's a friend set, I do like the way that the stickers are. The dirty socks on the sleeping bag. We get 2 sleeping bags. So those are really nice stickers. I wouldn't mind having some more of those. Not too keen on the color outlines. May even change that in the future. But right now I just want to get this thing built. I want to get this stuff just changed out because I don't like that. I need to add a bunch of bushes, trees, large trees, and just fill this in. So let me hold this up to the other part so you can see what I'm dealing with. I'm going to try to do this in real time. That one little dark colored tree there is in the way. But if I line this up just like this, we're going to take out that campground, or that campfire. We're going to move our little tree stumps around this one. And then I got to do a little bit of elevation addition onto this plate here to where that campfire, that cabin matches up. Other than that, I think this will be what we're looking at. You can see I got to do some work on the stone pathway too. Yeah, what do you guys think of that? You can see where we got to add more land or more water too. I'll have to add more backdrop when I add the other half or the other third of the campground. But anyway, that's what I've been working on. So hopefully you guys liked it. Maybe you learned something. If you guys are interested in the lighting stuff, let me know. I'll try to point you in the right direction if I can. I'm still learning it myself. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.